Life in the islands. There's a mosquito buzzing me. It's hot as shit with no relief. Fans blowing, windows are open, doesn't matter. There's a little fucker. Ants crawling on my pillow. I don't know. The mosquitoes have eyes in the back of their head. They know when you're going to hit them. I have house crap all over from packing. I gotta finish getting the wine out of there, clean it off. Cost me $125. Sorry, I got the hiccups. $125 to ship one under 40-pound box. I gotta find somebody to take my little tiny bit of alcohol. Nobody wants it. Let's just throw it away. Crap. Trash, trash, trash. Brian's stuff. Still have glasses. New fridge. There I am in my house. Hello. Not for long. That's the